This is a short tutorial on how to create 4D renders in Blender using the new tool I just made. And the first thing you want to do is you want to get your character model, obviously. I'm in Body Militia right now. I will include a link in the description of the server, which you can join. I will be using Spiral's Brawn Breaker model because I just like it. It's a great model. Every model is going to be different with how you uncompress it, but with ported models, this is going to be the easiest way to do it. You want to open them up using Pack Editor, double click into the pack. You want to hit uncompress if it says zlib, change this to YOBJ. For the 00A, that's going to be the texture file. You want to save this as a pack. Now, if this says JBOY, you just hit extract and then you can just rename it. But since it's zlib, that means it's compressed, so you have to uncompress it first. Next up, we'll be using Xrey and Xpacker for this. You can also use repac and 2K arc. However, I'm just demonstrating my workflow for this. This is the easiest way to do it. You can get these tools through Tekken 57. Now you want to open up the 00 in Xrey, hit export all. You're going to make a new folder, title it whatever, put all the objects in here. Next you're going to open up Xpacker, hit Control Y, and you're going to open up the pack file, hit extract all, make a new folder, and let it extract. Now we are going to open up Blender. I was doing a test run earlier, as you can see, but you want to go to open recent, open up the 4D template. You are going to hit import, wavefront objects, keep the order, and you're going to select all of your object files. Now this is Brawn Breaker here. This is his ring attire. You can include the jacket if you want to. That's going to be in the 04 file, but I'm going to do it without the jacket. Now first we're going to delete the objects we don't need. So that would be the tongue, the teeth, the mouth bag, and these eye covers here. Sometimes wrestlers will have like eyelashes, stuff like that. We don't need those either. If you want to go to the camera, this box here is everything that's going to be seen in the render. So if you want to save some time, you can like get rid of the shoes, for example, because we can't see the shoes, so there'd be no point. Next, you're going to select all of your objects using shift click. You're going to hit export and then save it somewhere like the desktop, for example. Now we're going to open up the Mixamo website, Mixamo. We're going to hit upload character, select your character file. It is going to be the body file that I just saved. We're going to give it a moment to upload here. And now that it's done uploading, you're just going to go through the steps. So you're going to align his chin. You're going to align the wrists, the elbows, the knees, and then the groin. You're going to hit next, and you're going to give it some time to create the rig. And now that this is fully done, you're going to hit next. You're going to hit download. Make sure this is original pose. It has to be original pose. Do not do T-pose. You're going to hit download. You're going to save your download to your downloads folder. Or wherever, doesn't matter. You're gonna delete these original objects. You're gonna go to import FBX, and you're gonna pick the file that you just made. Now with everything highlighted, you're gonna hit Control A, scale, and then hit align. And now we're gonna convert the textures. So you're gonna hit browse, pick your texture folder, and hit convert. Now that that is done, we're going to go into the armature here. Object 0 is the head, so we're going to set this to skin, sync this, and we are going to pick the head textures. So head and head normal, we're going to hit build. If you switch to the shader mode, you can see your textures show up here. Next up is the, oh, I forgot to delete the eye vents. Whoops. Those are supposed to go as well. Next up is the body. It's gonna be all color normal. Build. We're gonna have the beard next. We're gonna switch this to hair, sync it. And it should be combinations. There you go. Import them all into these fields. Build. And as you can see, we have the beard here. Now, sometimes the beard could show up invisible, and if that happens, you can just get rid of the alpha and hit build without it. It looks a little bit worse, but the beard would show up. But since this shows up, we can just build it like that. Next up is the singlet. So we're gonna go to cloth, sync it, and the singlet is under build it. And now we are going to do that for the rest of the objects. Now, while I'm building this for the eyes, remember, you just want to pick the eye preset and hit sync. That way it sets the proper reflectance. And we're going to build these two. And there we go. Now we are going to, you're going to go to the armature. Click on the render camera. You're gonna hit numpad 0, or you can hit this button here to toggle into camera mode. Now we're gonna switch to viewport shading. Now, important step here. If you have a lower end computer, switch from cycles to Eevee in the render property tab. Eevee has worse lighting, but it will allow you to render it if you have like a lower end computer or a laptop, something along those lines. You would only use cycles if you have an RTX supported graphics card, like a 2070, 3070, 4050, anything recent. Now you want to hit F12, and you're gonna give it some time to render the lighting here. This is gonna take a minute. Now that it's done rendering, we're gonna hit image, save as, and you're gonna name it whatever, save it to your desktop. And as you can see here, we have the Brawn Breaker render. Now next, you would just resize it using paint.net or Photoshop or whatever you use to make renders. And that is it. Have a good day.